Hello everyone. I am I am your English teacher, Seshananda sir. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The English Hub. Makes English easy and lucid. I have already completed the noun series. Now I have started the pronoun. I can say the pronoun series. Today we are going to discuss about the uses of personal pronoun. In this part, I am going to discuss uses of personal pronouns. It means that those 25 personal pronouns, they have some specific use. We cannot use according to our wish. So, according to their use, those personal pronouns can be categorized under these three categories: subject personal pronouns, object personal pronouns, and possessive personal pronouns. मतलब it means that these pronouns, subject personal pronouns means I, we, you, he, she, they. These pronouns are used as a subject in a sentence. Subject personal pronoun means these pronouns are used as subject. It means that you can start your sentences by using these pronouns. Okay? Right. Then object personal pronouns. It means that there are some pronouns: me, us, you, them, her, his, him. So these are called object personal pronouns. It means that these pronouns used only as an object. They cannot be used as subject. It means that you cannot start your sentence by using these pronouns. It means that these pronouns are used only as an object. You cannot start your sentence with using these pronouns. For example, I will give you example. And third one is possessive personal pronouns. It means that these are the pronouns who use these pronouns. It shows some possessions: mine, ours, hers, their. These are indicates to some possession. For example, for example, I am a boy. Here the pronoun is I. So I is used as subject. He is a teacher. He is a pronoun and it is used as a subject. But I have told you that there are some pronouns which are always used as an object. For example, they gave me a chocolate. Okay. Now another pronoun came, that is me. Here me is used as an object. So me cannot be used as subject. You cannot start your sentence using me. But you can start your sentence by using I. For example, they helped him. Now the pronoun is him and they is subject, him is object. So you cannot start your sentence using him, but you can start your sentence using he. So this is the difference between subject use and object use of pronoun. And there are some pronouns which always indicates to possession. For example, the book is mine. That house is hers. So these are mine and hers. These are possessive pronouns. Mine and hers here this shows possessive pronouns. They show ownership. Okay. So these are called possessive pronoun. But there is a question that might be coming to your mind. There are some words like my, our, her, their. What are these? These pronouns also show the possession. If you like my teaching and if you think that my English will improve yours, then do subscribe, like, share, and comment.